Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronika. If you're new here, I have hair in my mouth. Ugh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Veronika and I'm a part-time reseller. I primarily sell women's fashion on the platforms Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. And I told myself I wouldn't get another Goodwill Blue Box, but here we are. But this one's actually good, so I wanted to share what I got in there. So this is the women's clothing apparel box. I keep forgetting what it's called. It's just a women's box. It costs $24.99 on their website. It launches every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern, and it usually sells out really quickly. So you pay $4.99 for shipping, so all in all, I have $29.99, 98 cents, something like that, into this box, so $30. And you're supposed to get between 10 and 12 items. I've gotten boxes before where I got 12. I got a box before where I got 13. That was my last box. That was actually the mixed apparel, which I was not impressed by that one. My first box was okay. You can check out both videos. I will link them up above. But this box is actually pretty good. I would say this is the best box I've gotten yet. So this time I got a size small. That's the nice thing about their women's boxes, is that you can pick a size, assuming you get there early enough. They sell out within minutes. Like, I had the website open, I was refreshing the page, I had my size that I wanted to go for, and it was sold out like 30 seconds after 6 o'clock. I didn't get my desired size, which was a size large, because I figured if I get a size large, I can keep some pieces for myself, but I didn't. All the extra large and plus sizes were sold out. The only two sizes I had available by the time I could finally add something to my cart were size extra small and small. And so I opted for the small box, because I figured extra small is really hard for me to move overall. So I figured size small would be my best bet out of those two. So I got a size small women's apparel box, and yeah, let me just show you what I got. So first item up here is new with tags, which I've gotten a good amount of new with tags in these. Not so much the mixed apparel where there were men's pieces and women's pieces and mixed sizes, but my last women's box, spoiler alert, was all new with tags. This is just Croft & Barrow, which retails, I mean, it's sold at Kohl's and it retails for $50, and it's like this paisley, something like that, pattern dress. And does it open in the front? Yeah, it has like this tulip overlay situation, I think, going on. Sorry, I keep bumping into the box. I need to make sure I don't do that. So it's just a nice little dress. It has like this nice print. It's cute. I don't hate it, and it's new with tag. Now they did have it clearance down to $10. I will take that clearance tag off. And I know Croft & Barrow is not going to go for much, but if I can get 15 to 20 bucks out of this, that would be great. The next item was exciting, even though this brand does not do that well anymore, but it's still, it's good to get it in a box like this where you pay, what, $2.60 or so. I have to do the math, as always. I will put it down here, because they always send me a different amount. Anyway, this is Free People, which you probably know what it looks like. And it's this fuzzy, striped sweater. It has like the cowl neck. It's fallen apart. If I find a stock photo for this, I will insert it so that you guys know what it looks like. But it's cute and fuzzy, and yeah, I need to check what the material is on this one. It's 55% alpaca and then 45% nylon, so it's a good quality sweater. It doesn't seem to have any flaws. It has some fuzzies that I need to shave off, but other than that, it's good. Okay, so these two I will list. This one is a pair of a New Day little comfy shorts, Target brand, in case you're not familiar. So it has a pocket in the back, has pockets on the side. So this is cute, but I'm not going to list it, and I will tell you in a second why I'm not going to list it. This next piece I also will not list, even though it is adorable. It's the Celestial Moon and Star print one-piece pajama. It's not footed, but it's basically an adult onesie. It's very lightweight and looks super comfy. It's Old Navy. It is new with tag, size small, and these two pieces are gonna go to my friend Margaret because she already claimed them, so I don't need to list them. I'm gonna pack them up and ship them to her, and yeah, she claimed them because I shared the details of this box with her because I was so excited, and now I'm sitting down and filming it before I sent them out. This one was also exciting. I feel like I'm showing you the exciting pieces first. My child's really loud today. So this one's also, I think it's new with tags. It's not original tags. I'm a little confused by this tag, but because the price is rather high, I feel like this was still new. I don't know. So the brand is Bella Doll, which I've sold before. And it can be sold at Anthropologie. And the tag that's on here says it costs $79, but the tag is not like an original tag. So it looks almost like a Plato's tag or like Clothes Mentor, but I feel like they would not price it this high. So I don't know what's going on. It has buttons in the back. It's really cute. Try to figure out what this tag is, but I might have to take it off. Okay, less exciting, but still good staples. That's getting listed too, by the way. I think I might list everything in this box. Spoiler alert. This one, just a nice basic tee, loft, outlet. I'm probably just gonna get like 10-12 bucks for this, but that's okay. It might be a good bundle item. I don't hate it. It's cute. I like stripes, and I like the colorful stripes. This one you will recognize. Adidas. German brand, that's how you pronounce it. Putting it out there so everybody will learn how to pronounce Adidas. For the Americans, Adidas. It's the go-to performance tee. I really like this sort of, is it like a palm leaf print? Yeah, like a floral leafy print. It's super cute. I really like this. I wish this were my size, but everything is a size small, and your girl is not. This one will hopefully sell in the fall. It's this cable knit sweater, striped sweater by Land's End. Solid brand, just, you know, not something super exciting. It's the Drifter sweater. I don't know. It's nice and chunky. So that might sell in the fall for like 15-20 bucks. This one might be tricky. I know corduroy is supposed to be back, but I don't know. My corduroy is not moving. This is Gap, and it's the Sexy Boyfriend. A pair of corduroy pants in this coral color. It looks a little more red on camera. It's not as bright as it shows up on camera. It's a little lighter. These look like they're in good shape. I thought I just saw something in the back. I haven't found any major flaws yet, but I also haven't given them the whole once over under the bright lights. But anyway, one more item in here. This last item is also new with tags, and it's just a pair of Old Navy Bermuda shorts. They're just called the Bermuda, and they're size 4. Yeah, these retailed for $26.94 and were clearance down to $10.99. So if I can get 10 bucks for these after taking off the clearance sticker, that's fine. So let's say 10 bucks on these, maybe like 8 in a bundle. Let's go. Let's aim low. 8 for these. The Gap.
Again, and also we're about $20. This, what did I say? 15, 20, let's say $35 sold already in the clear here. The Adidas, I think I can probably get 12 bucks for $42-ish dollars. This, $10 maybe, 52-ish. And then the Bella Doll, I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna get for this, but I would think 20 is realistic for this. I don't know. So we're at 72-ish. Free People doesn't do great, but the sweater might go for, I don't know, 20, 25 maybe? We'll see. Let's play it safe and say 20. Where were we? Were we at 72? I think we're at 72. So we're at 92-ish. And then this Crocs and Barrow is probably not gonna go for much.
If I can sell it for like, let's say 18, then I would make $100 off of those items. Now, Margaret is getting these from me, and I think I said she can send me 25 bucks shipped. So this is probably gonna cost me like 5 bucks to ship, less than 5, I hope. So I'm already making 20 bucks on the 2 items that I'm sending to her. So I really only need to make another $10 to make my money back, and after that everything's going to be profit. And there are some solid items in here that I think will sell. I'm not really worried about it. So this was a really good box, which means I may need to order another. I don't know. It's such a gamble. This one came from Kingsport, Tennessee. My first box came from Ohio. The second one came from Florida. And the Florida box was not great, but it's just like with ThreadUp, you cannot really pick where they're gonna send your box from, and it doesn't seem to matter where you live, you just get whatever box. So anyway, this was a good box. I'm happy with this box. I'm gonna wrap this up. I need to put my kid in the tub, into bed, and then I need to pour myself a glass of wine because it's been a week, y'all. I don't know when this video is going up, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoy content like this, if you like my slightly chaotic videos with some 4-year-old making noises in the background, then do hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more of those kinds of videos, then please subscribe, and also come hang out on Instagram and chat with me there. I will put all that information here, and all my closets and stores and other things are linked below in the description if you want to check out what I got for sale aside from these items, which are going to take me 5,000 years to list. So, but if you're interested in anything in anything that has not been claimed yet, feel free to DM me on Instagram and I'll be happy to send it your way. So yeah, have a good day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.